Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this video is I'm gonna have to make some video for this one. So yes, keeping my video games organized, right? So this is for my Nintendo Switch games, and also these are my PlayStation CD games, right? So I believe this is my PlayStation 4 games that I have put in here, and also in here is my my PlayStation 2 games right over here. So okay, and then I got right here for my all of my Nintendo Switch games, right? So yeah, keeping it organized, and also separate video game card for my Pokemon, right? So all of the Pokemons that is gonna be all of the Pokemons that are released, right, by physical games. So I still didn't have the, I think, Pokopia. I think they just released, and also the other one game, Detective Pikachu. So okay, so without further ado, I'm gonna start up with my PlayStation, right? So right over here is I have so I'm gonna have to put this on right over here, so beside me. So let's get over here for the PlayStation 4. So I've got a Uncharted 4, a Thief's End, okay, and also got some Call of Duty Modern Warfare, and also I forgot what is this one, so I forgot what's the CD. So yeah, so some CD is in my the CD is in my PlayStation, right, console. And also I've got is Naruto to Boruto. Oh, okay. Oh, Naruto Shippuden Ultimate Ninja, right? Naruto Shippuden Ultimate Ninja Storm 4. Okay. And then I have got some Destiny 2, and also I got some Injustice 2 Legendary Edition. Okay, so I already finished the game. So you're gonna have to check it out into my gaming channel, my gameplay channel. So I already finished the game, so it's not just too long, right? So the game is not just too long, unlike other games that are so long. Okay, and also I've got a Destiny right over here, which is the part 1. Okay, and also Mortal Kombat 10, I think, I forgot. Yeah, Mortal Kombat 10, and also I've got the Battlefield 2024. So yeah, and also I've got a God of War, and also I also got some Spider-Man, right, for the PlayStation 4. So yeah, I think I don't have any more, space for it. So yeah, so I think that was the Spider-Man that I put. Okay, yeah, so it's because I'm gonna have to put the game. I'm gonna have to make a gameplay also for the Spider-Man, right? So this is my games for my PlayStation. This is all the games that I have for my PlayStation 4. Okay, so let's get over. So I don't know, I didn't realize that all of the PlayStation 4 games are in Blu-ray, right? Yeah, I didn't notice that one, right? So they got the Blu-ray right over there. Yeah, so all of the PlayStation 4 games are in Blu-ray. So next is gonna get over into my PlayStation 2 games. Okay, I've got right over here, I also got Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon. Okay, and then also the part 2 of the Ghost Recon right over here, and also I got some Gran Turismo A-Spec, Gran Turismo 3 A-Spec, and also I got this Call of Duty Finest Hour, Mission Impossible 2 Operation Surma, right? So I still haven't played that one because I still have some games that I haven't been finished playing it, right? And also Delta Force Black Hawk Down, right? So and then also I got the Need for Speed Underground. So yeah, the first one, I have the part 2, but that is for the PC edition, right? PC version, Need for Speed Underground 2. And also I've got this Madden NFL 2006, And also I got some Tekken for Tekken Tag Tournament, right? So, and then also I got some Battlefield Modern Combat 2 for the PlayStation 2, right? So, still got some, yeah, look at that. So, still got some slot to fill it up, right? Okay, so yeah, that is for my PlayStation 2, right? So, that is for my PlayStation 2. And then, we're gonna go get over to my Nintendo Switch, okay? Right over here, exclusive for my Pokemon video card games, and also this one right over here. So I don't think they have a Dragon Ball like this one, so we're gonna have to find that also, right? Yeah, so there we go. So we've got some right here. We've got the Super Dragon Ball Heroes, okay, and also the Dragon Ball Z Kakarot, okay. Also, I got the Dragon Ball. What is this? So I forgot what is this one. Okay. Okay, Dragon Ball The Breakers. Okay, and also I got the Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2, Dragon Ball Fighter Z, and also the Jumpers, which is also what is I forgot. Dragon Ball there's also a Dragon Ball character for the Jump Force, right? So Jump Force Deluxe Edition. And also I got right over here is the Mario Kart 8, I think. Yeah, it's the Mario Kart 8, and then after the Mario Kart 8 is the Mario Kart World, right? And also Super Mario Smash Brothers, okay. And also, I got the Street Fighter, right? Also, I've got a Final Fantasy, okay? It's an idle RPG, right? So, I think I'm gonna have to put this on into my gameplay, okay? Yeah, right? Right over here is the Final Fantasy 6 and Final Fantasy 7. Oh, okay. Mortal Kombat 2. Okay, this one. Okay, Mortal Kombat 11. Okay, Mortal Kombat 11. And we got Snow Racing. Yeah, I forgot. So, I still play this one into my Switch Lite, right? So, yeah, Snow. Okay, Snow Moto Racing. Okay, so, I just bought this for only, when I'm still in the Philippines. And also, I got the Digimon Story Cyber Sleuth. And NBA 2K21. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Mutant Mayhem, I think. I forgot. So, I'm gonna have to check it out. Okay. Wrath of the Mutants. Okay. This the style of the game is a beat 'em up game, okay? And also I've got the Batman Arkham trilogy. So but I just bought a is that the I forgot that game. Yeah, okay, it's a Batman Arkham Asylum, which is I bought it for only because a couple of bucks for the Nintendo Switch on in the eShop. It's because it is too cheap to me to get, right? So that's why I have to get it. So okay, and also I got some Monster Hunter Rise. Okay, I still haven't finished the game. Yeah, and also this one right here is the Cars 2 Driven to Win, and we've got some Nickelodeon All Star Brawl. And we've got the Need for Speed Hot Pursuit. Right. Okay. So, that's for my games that is not Pokemon, right? Right here is the Pokemon. Okay. So, there you go. Let's go get over to the Pokemon. Alright. So, there you go. Exclusive games for Pokemon. So, I already, right? So, I've got the two Pokemon, I got the two Pokemon right over here, which is the Brilliant Diamond and the Shining Pearl, I think, yeah. And also, I've got also the Pokemon Let's Go. I have the Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu and I got the Pokemon Let's Go Eevee. And also, I've got the Galar games right over here, which is the Pokemon Sword and the Pokemon Shield, right? And also, I've got the Pokken Tournament DX, which is the style of Tekken, right? So, Pokemon Tournament DX, another name for that one. And also, the Pokemon Legends Arceus. And also, the latest one is the Pokemon Legends ZA. So, I already played in my Nintendo Switch 2, and also I just make a gameplay for this one, right? So check it out my gameplay channel, okay? So it is in the description box, okay? If you want to see some awesome gameplays, right? Mobile gaming, Nintendo Switch, and also PlayStation. Okay, so let's go back again. So it's still it still has some 3 slots. So gonna be the Pokemon Pokopia. I think the Pokemon Detective Pikachu. Okay, and also the Pokemon Winds and Waves. Okay, the next game, the next generation game of the Pokemon, right? So I have been waiting for it, so I'm gonna have to get the Pokemon Pokopia, right? And also the Detective Pikachu to to fill it up, right? Okay, so yeah, quick recap. So Pokemon Brilliant Diamond, okay, and also the Pokemon Shining Pearl, Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu, Pokemon Let's Go Eevee, Pokemon Sword, Pokemon Shield, and the Pokemon Tournament DX, Pokemon Legends Arceus, and also the Pokemon Legends ZA, right? So, alright, yeah, almost complete all the Pokemon games that I have. So, okay, yeah, so, since, Pokemon is licensed under Nintendo, right? So the other gaming console like PlayStation and Xbox, not okay. So right over here is also the I forgot. So right over here is also the Dragon Ball also, right? So yeah, I am also a big fan of Dragon Ball Z. So all of the Dragon Balls right over here, right? So including the Jumpers, which is Son Goku, and other Dragon Ball character is also in the Jumpers, right? So that's why I'm gonna have to put this on together with all the Dragon Ball games, right? So but unfortunately, there's also a game for the Xbox and PlayStation, right, for the Dragon Ball. I think, yeah, so I saw something this one right over here. I saw something Dragon Ball Z Kakarot, and then also I also saw the Cineverse 2, right? And I think Jumpers also available in Xbox and PlayStation, right? So yeah, mostly. So also this one right over here. So Final Fantasy, Mortal Kombat, Digimon, NBA, Teenage Mutant, Batman, Monster Hunter, and also yeah, Cars, Nickelodeon, Need for Speed is a cross-platform. It's a cross-platform video games, right? That you can play anywhere. So either Nintendo Switch, PlayStation, and Xbox, right? Alright, so yes, I think, that's it for my vlog post for today. And also, I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, thank you so much and see you again on the next one.